Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how can we install Netbean's JDK in our PC. So let's begin. So we are search in our Chrome browser or any other browser. Search in download JDK for Windows 10. Since my Windows 10, so that's why I click on Windows 10. You have used any other versions, operating systems, Windows 10 or Linux. So come on this site, and this site is Oracle. So just I will install in my Windows. So click on Windows option and click on this path, 64 installer. So click on this path and it automatically install. So you can see that. So I want to access this Windows, access this software. So just click on this. Yes. Next. Next. So this software downloaded and install in my PC. So now I want to install another software. This software name, download download Netbeans. Netbean IDE. So come click on the site Apache Netbeans release and download option. Click on this and you can see a lot of path. So I want to install in my Windows. That's why I click on this. Then you can see this path. So I want to click on this path. So it's download, continue. Wait for a few minutes, or if it's depend on your internet service. So we can see that download is almost done, and we open this software and install in our Windows 10. Yes, click on yes option and click on next. Then I accept all agreement and next. And you can choose your PC path or drive, C or D, as you like. So I used this C path and installing. So NetBeans IDE totally download in our PC, downloaded and finish our work and click on, you can see the Apache NetBeans IDE, and we can click this Apache NetBeans IDE and we can try to open this software. Yes. Now we can click on this file option and create a new project, and then change the path and click on this project Java applications and next. And you can choose your project name. I just show you that this project name have. You can choose your project name. So click on finish. Yes, this page, and you can start your code. And thank you. Thank you for watching my video so far. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button.